All right, I'm here in North Casper, and it's, I believe, March 13th, 14th, something like that. We've got about a foot of snow on the ground, as you can see here, up to my knee. I am at a house called, oh, almost fell over, 255 North Durbin. It is owned by a buddy of mine, Tim, and it's got a apartment upstairs, two of them downstairs, one on this side and one on that side, and then another one in the alley. And we are putting it together. It's about, I think it's over 100 years old, and it needs a lot. And my participation in the game today has been, or the last couple of days, has been to, well, let me back up. Tim had built this little, the wall here and this one over here, because he had put in what they didn't have back in the day was a laundry facility. And there's very little lights, but that's the laundry facility. Anyway, let me get back in this room. I was taken on to tape, mud, this wall, the laundry, or excuse me, the inside of the laundry facility, and this wall here. And I have got them all taped off, as you can see, and I'm just about ready to shoot texture. Then I will be coming back, pulling, you know, this kind of tape here. Then we'll have to close off that doorway. As you can see, I've already got the windows taped up. Then I'll be priming the ceiling and the bare walls of the drywall, and shooting that, doing some molding work. I've got obviously this piece of molding here on the side, or the trim on the side of the door needs to be done. All along here, up to there needs new molding, and then I'm doing, see the fat molding along the base. I'll be doing that heavy. I think it's 1 by 10, which is like 9 inches tall. I'll be putting that all the way along there and inside the room. Then I'll shoot this thing with regular paint as well. And I think that's the end of this project, so I'll take some shots after I am done.